friends, welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to make zucchini lasagna roll with garlic bread. So let's start the recipe. Firstly, wash the zucchini, then cut the both ends of the zucchini. Now slice the zucchini with this kind of slicer in lengthwise. If you don't have this slicer, you can actually cut it with the knife also. Or sometimes on the side of a grater, there is a slot. With that, you can also slice the zucchini. And you can see here, the zucchini is foldable, but if I try to fold it too tight, it will crack. And it's not staying on its own shape. For that, here I sprinkle some salt in a tray. On that, place the zucchini slices. Now sprinkle some salt on top of zucchini slices. With the salt, zucchini will release little amount of water and it will get soft and it will be easy to fold. Same way, just sprinkle some salt, place the zucchini slices and sprinkle the salt on the other side of zucchini slices also and leave it for half an hour. Now chop some spinach. You can actually use frozen spinach also. If you have frozen spinach, just defrost it in the microwave and use that one. Now chop some parsley leaves. You can actually use basil also. That's just for a herb flavor. If you want, you can use cilantro also. Grate 300 grams of paneer. If you don't have paneer, you can use ricotta cheese also. That also gives a nice flavor. Here I have 1 tablespoon of powdered flaxseed. Add 2 tablespoons of water to it. Mix it well. And leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't have flaxseed, you can use egg also. Now transfer the grated paneer in a bowl. Add chopped spinach and chopped parsley into it. Now add 1 cup grated mozzarella to the paneer and spinach mixture. Add some black pepper. Mix it well. Now you can see flaxseed powder and the water mixture gets nice thicker. It's like an egg consistency. Now we will add this flaxseed mixture to the spinach, mozzarella and paneer mixture. Mix it well. Flaxseed mixture and mozzarella will give a nice binding to it when we heat it up or when we cook it. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. You can also use malai here. Mix it well. Here you can see after sprinkling some salt on the zucchini release some water and it gets little softer. And now it is more easier to fold. Now add 1 to 1.5 cup of pasta sauce or marinara sauce. These zucchini rolls will be served with garlic bread or a regular bread. So to dip the bread, we need sauce. So add good amount of sauce. Now spread some sauce on each slice of zucchini. The easier way, just put some sauce and after that spread it with the back of a spoon. Now add cheese, paneer and spinach mixture on each slice of zucchini. Now make a roll of each slice of zucchini by folding it like this and place it on a baking dish or a bowl on pasta sauce like this. Just fold all the slices and place it in a baking dish. The key to get them stand sometimes is when you roll it little loose. So when you make it stand, it stay there. Now sprinkle some mozzarella. If you want, you can drizzle some pasta sauce on top of zucchini rolls also. Now cover it with some aluminium foil. Covering it helps to cook it more evenly. Now preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Now bake the zucchini rolls for 20 to 25 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 420 Fahrenheit. After baking, remove the aluminium foil. After that, change the setting to broil and cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes. And here is our zucchini rolls ready. Take it out from the oven and you can see how nicely they are done. It looks like a nice zucchini flower. And I'm going to serve with this garlic bread. So now we will make garlic bread. To make garlic bread, here I have some butter, some garlic, some black pepper and some dry parsley. Firstly, grate the garlic. Grate it very small. Now add the garlic to the butter. Now add some parsley. I'm using here dry parsley. You can also use fresh parsley leaves. Add some black pepper. Mix it well. Here I'm using salted butter, so I'm not adding any salt to it. If you are using unsalted butter, you can add salt to it. Now spread garlic butter on each side of bread slice. Just spread it evenly. Now heat a pan. Put the bread slices with garlic butter on it. Just make it crispy from both sides. And here is garlic bread ready too. And now we will serve it with our zucchini rolls. Kids doesn't like zucchini easily. If you make it this way, they will love it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes. So with this way, you can make zucchini lasagna rolls and garlic bread at home. Please try the recipe and enjoy.